I thought I would take a few minutes to show you how we spend some of our Saturday mornings in my husband's experimental plane. Here we are on a recent adventure, and I want to keep the destination a secret for a bit. But here's a quick peek. This is an experimental plane that my husband built himself. The pieces arrived one day in a box, and over the next 13 months, my husband riveted and put the pieces together, got it ready for the engine install and the paint. Now back to our Saturday morning adventure. Our favorite place to be off to is to fly over one of our kids' houses, where our kids and the grandkids run outside to watch Gramps and Mimi fly overhead. Here we are leaving from the Bernie Airport for about a 5-minute flight to our youngest son's house. And here they are, coming out to the back driveway to give us a wave. It's the best thing ever. I don't know who has more fun, me or the grandkids. And I also want to add that the people that we have met in this journey have been like family to us. We've had other Zenith builders and Viking Engine owners that have lent a hand answering questions or pitching in. We've had dinner with some of them. We've celebrated milestones with many of them. The community is fun, supportive, crazy, and all the guys like running off to fly-ins and different events around the country to join other experimental plane builders and owners. Now, we ladies and family members like to join them and go with them when we can. The best thing of all is sharing this. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.